In the heart of Karachi, Pakistan, stands a majestic white marble structure, the Mazar-e-Quaid. Its vast green gardens, filled with the scent of blooming flowers, are a silent testimony to the reverence the Pakistani people hold for their founder, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This monument, a beacon of unity and progress, reflects the strength and resilience of a nation born out of struggle and determination. Our journey through Pakistan, a country of diverse cultures and mesmerizing beauty, is a tapestry of stories waiting to be unraveled. Each city, each village, holds a unique tale, a distinct flavor that contributes to the rich cultural diversity of this South Asian nation. Venture northwards to the valley of Hunza, where the mighty Karakoram Mountains stand tall, their snow-capped peaks glistening in the morning sun. Here, the serene Atabad Lake stretches out, its turquoise waters a stark contrast to the rugged mountains surrounding it. This lake, born from a natural disaster, is now a symbol of resilience and beauty for the people of Hunza. Further north, the Khunjerab Pass awaits, the highest paved international border crossing in the world, and a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It is not just a passage between two countries, but a bridge connecting cultures, a gateway to the Silk Road of the past. Traveling southwards, the city of Lahore greets us with its vibrant colors and rich history. The Lahore Fort, with its intricate Mughal architecture, whispers tales of grandeur and glory. The bustling streets of the old city, filled with the aroma of traditional cuisines, echo with the laughter and banter of its residents, each a storyteller in their own right. In the heart of Punjab, the city of Multan stands proud, a city of saints and Sufis, where the shrines of Bahauddin Zakaria and Shah Rukni Alam invite people from all walks of life. The air here resonates with the soothing melodies of Qawwali, a form of Sufi devotional music capturing the spirit of love and devotion. We journey westwards towards the province of Balochistan, where the desert meets the sea. Here, the Hingal National Park is a marvel of nature's creativity, its unique mud volcanoes and the Princess of Hope statue attracting curious travelers. The nearby Makran Coastal Highway, a marvel of modern engineering, stretches along the Arabian Sea, its path illuminated by the setting sun. Our journey through Pakistan is a journey through time and cultures, through struggles and triumphs, through the varied landscapes that form the backdrop of this nation's story. From the bustling streets of Karachi to the serene valleys of Hunza, from the historical city of Lahore to the mystical city of Multan, from the rugged mountains of the north to the golden beaches of the south, Pakistan is a land of contrasts and unity, a land that beckons with its beauty and captivates with its culture. This journey through Pakistan is not just a journey through a country, but a journey through the heart and soul of a nation.